We have come to the end of 2025 season. Yes, officially. We are done training for the year. So it's basically we are done with the year. This year, basically, I'm sure most of us, beginning of the year, we wrote down goals I wanted to achieve, profit payouts that I want to get, milestones that I want to break and pass. You get, especially those of us that have not had a single payout in our life. So basically, this year, I did not have a single payout. I did not make any significant profit this year. But one thing I learned this year is you cannot control anybody or anything. The only thing you can control is yourself, and you have to learn it. So this year, basically, I had a profit I was trading as the last 3 months. Past phase one, past phase two, but they denied me my payout. So this year was one of my best years, or is one of my or in my best year so far. Because I started trading last year. It wasn't beginning of last year. So basically, this year made it 1.5 years. So this year made it 1 year of me being a forex trader. Let's just say I'm 1 year in the industry. So this year did not make any good milestone. This year was a very hectic one, very tough one at that. From school to trading to blowing accounts to everything. So this year was one of my best years and one of my worst years because I've not been in the industry for a very long time. So I said I got an account, a 10k account, past phase one and past phase two, but I was denied my funded account because I could not do verification on time. You get. So to me that's like the biggest loss I had this year basically. I don't have any all the money I lost this year is it did not really touch me. But the one that actually touched me that I knew that I would have made good money from it was is that 10k account that they got or that got denied. I'm going to put this in up here for you guys to see the breach. So basically I had 30 days to find a passport, a driver's license, or any other valid ID. And the only valid ID I had was my NIN, National ID card. If you're in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. And I did not have a passport. I had a passport, but it's expired already, so I could not use it. So they gave me all the accounts, like they breached account after 30 days of inactivity, which is a normal thing, profile account. So that account stayed for 30 days inactivity. Or I did not take any trade on it because I could not take any trade on it because I had not done my verification. So it was on hold for the meantime because I had to sign the contract, and the contract to sign it I needed to verify my account, and to verify my account I needed a passport or any other valid ID, which the only one I had was NIN. And the problem based on it's not a Nigeria based problem, or they don't accept Nigerians basically, or African countries. They don't accept national ID card, this NIN. So that account just went like that. So that was the first account that went like that is basically my biggest loss this year. That particular 10k account. Yes. So after that 10k account, I got the 5k account from money I made from my course. Basically I was teaching people at the time. It was during my IT, I was teaching people. So money I made during that period, I gathered them, and money I made from playing trumpet because I'm also a trumpeter. I go for gigs. So at that time I was in Lagos basically. So that period once in a while I had gigs from people to come and play for their birthday and all that. So that one I also added to the money, and I got enough money to get a funded next 5k account. So I used all my money basically. So that one I got the account, but because of pressure I blew the account. I have chances to pass the account, but I blew it up. So this is basically I blew like how many accounts? I had a good funded account, I blew it. I had a funded next account, I blew it. I had a I had a lot of accounts this year basically. I can't really remember or pinpoint them out. But I know this year I had like 5 profile accounts basically. You get 5 profile accounts that I lost based of pressure. So this year I learned a lot, and I'm sure next is going to be better. So the thing I want to tell you guys in this video is don't pressure yourself, don't allow external pressure make you to do rubbish. I also made a short video on this like earlier last month. Is on my YouTube here. You can go and check it out. I made a short video on this pressure basically in trading, family pressure, psychology pressure, social pressure, social media pressure, physical pressure from your peers, your friends. How I trader, you need to watch your circle, like your circle of friends, your circle of friends. Sorry. So you see impatience, you see greed, you see ego, and comparison. Like these are the things that kills most newbies. You just come to the market and you're comparing yourself with somebody that has been here for over 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Bro, it doesn't make sense. Why I say in this industry or anything you're doing in life, focus on your journey. Everybody's journey is like the journey is personal. There's nothing like once you have this competition mindset and you use it and come to trading, it's not gonna work out for you. So my plan for next year is beginning of the year, I get a 200k account, 20,000 naira account, which is for about 9,995. But if you use my code, which I'm going to drop below, you can also get it for a cheaper rate, 6,500, 6,000, 5,000. So that's the plan. Get a 200k account and I'll scale up from there. Use the payouts from the 200k account to get a 5k account. Once I get the 5k account and I pass it, I get funded. Use the profit from the funded account to get a 15k account. Then I'll scale up from there. That's the plan basically. Nothing much, because I noticed something in this game. You might have the skill, but once the capital is not there, because the skill is there and there's no capital, it might mess your psychology up and you be doing rubbish and you now feel like you don't have the skill anymore. And this is the part where most people give up. They just this is not okay for me. Not knowing that they have gotten the knowledge, they know very well that they have knowledge, but because there's no skill, they allow psychology to mess with them, and because of that, they blow their account. So this year was my worst year and my best year. But I've not been in the industry for a while now or for a long time. So let's just say my best and my worst year. So and I believe next year is going to be better. So for next year, I've told you guys my plan. And I'm going to take you guys through my journey from day one. You get? So I already have chunk for money. So this year, next year I'm going to start next year probably. I don't disclose the amount I'm starting next year because I've been saving for a while now. You get? So I'm starting next year with a particular amount, and let's see how we end the year with. So I'm going to disclose the amount I'm going to start next year with. Let's say middle of the year or ending of the year. When we have made good money, then I'll disclose the amount that we started the year with to you guys in a video I'll make. But for now, I'm not disclosing anything like amount I've saved so far, amount I'm going to start the year. But I've told you guys the profit I'm buying, a natural profit, and if you want to get the same profit for a cheaper rate, use the link in the description below. So that's what I said. Let me inform you guys. So this week we traded this week, but it was kind of like a rough one, so I did not really make any video. So we are done for the year. I'm going to use the remaining days of the year to plan myself, get my psychology in check, read books, understand myself, write down my plans for the account, write down my plans for next year, and we'll go ahead and next year. I don't know for you guys, but I'm not giving up. I'm not fucking giving up. If you have plans of giving up, and I notice that you are like in my clique, I will detach myself from you. That's what I want to with me. I hate being around losers or people that want to just give up for no reason, or just because they lose, they want to give up, they feel like giving up. It's not a bad thing to feel like giving up, but it's a bad thing to actually give to that or actually have that thought and say, okay, yes, this is what I want to do. That's crazy. There is a difference between you have capital or you don't have capital. You get, and you say, okay, let me go in search of capital, and you'll be trading on the side, but you'll not be putting trading as your main. That's different from saying you want to leave trading for life. That's different. So I want to urge you guys, please don't give up, bro. Continue pushing. Another thing I learned this is that consistency pays. No matter how small it is, no matter how big it is, see consistency. Don't joke with it. This YouTube channel, I did not actually start this YouTube channel on a very good fit. if you check my first video on this channel, it was like a year ago, and that video, after that video I posted like another video, and I did not post again. Basically, why did I not post again? I did not post again because I don't have any plans of using this channel to grow, or to grow it, or to document my journey. But along the line, I just feel like that should be last 2 months. Then another part of the year, still this year, I had a plan of starting a faceless YouTube channel. You get, but now I was confused because I needed a niche, and I did not want something that would bring me or deter me from Forex. So I needed to do something inside or Forex related. So I came up with an idea to do Forex related content, which is making videos of Forex faceless, not with my face, you get. So as I started doing that, I was getting views though, but after a while I stopped because of school, you get. Yeah, I stopped. So that's how it was, and I stopped for a while. Then if you notice, if you go to my channel, if you check my latest video, you see 1 year ago. Then after that 1 year, then you now see like 6 months ago. And after that 6 months, then you will not start seeing like 2 months ago, 1 month ago, 6 days ago, and all that. So that's basically how it has been. And around last 2 months, then I decided to go into YouTube fully, face YouTube, not faceless. So this one now I'm sharing my experience with you guys, trying to connect with you guys, because I know there are a lot of people that are exactly in the space I am. You get, that are trying to grow, looking forward to grow with, you get. So I'm here for you guys. So if you are watching this to this point and you liked this video, be able to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share to your friends. Next year is going to be our year. You guys should believe in me. Next year we are going harder, and if you know that you want to go harder with me, type lock in the comment section, and next year I'll meet you guys at the top. Peace out, guys. Have a blissful Christmas and a happy new year, and do well to write your plans for next year. And be disciplined, guys. Be disciplined. Be a disciplined trader, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you guys next year. Peace out, guys.